Hello guys, this is Ripunuchan Chapel from WP Mart. So today we are going to learn how we can install WordPress in our PC or in our local server. And before learning that, you must have to know how to install Xampp on your PC. So if you don't know how to install Xampp on your local server or your local PC or on your PC, please check my previous video. In my previous video, I have shown you guys how you can install Xampp in your PC. First of all, you need to know why you want to install WordPress on your PC. Suppose you are planning to make a website, but you are not having any kind of hosting or any kind of domain name. Don't have that. So what you can do is install WordPress on your local server and practice by yourself, and after completing it you can make it on live. So no more talk, let's go to the main video here. So first of all, you need to open your browser, then open a new tab, then you need to type here wordpress.org/latest.zip. So you might know that what is this. This is the latest version of WordPress, and that is available on this permalink or on this URL. So we need to download WordPress, so press the enter here and WordPress will start download automatically. So here you can see it is downloading and it is having 1 or 2 more seconds. So we need to access there. You need to go in downloads, then you can see your downloads folder here for the WordPress, and you need to extract the file. So extract here and it will complete the extraction of that zip folder. So let's wait some time for the extraction process, and it will finish in 10 or 20 seconds. After finish it, just go inside the folder and copy all the folder, then go to the location of the Xampp. So in my case it is in my G drive, then new Xampp, then you need to go on htdocs, then create a folder here, WP learning. So inside the folder WP learning, we need to paste all the file that we have copied some time ago. So it will be finished by 10 or 20 seconds again, and we can check how to start our local server on our machine. So we need to go again on our Xampp folder, then you can see the control panel here, Xampp control.exe. you need to double click here and you need to start these two things, Apache and MySQL. It will be like this. You need to press start and start, then cross the control panel here. It will be not crossed because it is running behind of the scene. Then the copying of WordPress has been finished from here. Then go to your browser again, then type localhost/WP learning, because we have created the folder just some time ago. Then press enter. The enter button here, a setup config will come. Then you need to select your language. I will select English United States. Then press continue here. Then what we need database name, database username, database password, and database host and table prefix. So we need to first create a database name for that purpose. So for database name creations, we need to go localhost localhost/phpMyAdmin. So in here we need to create a database, and we'll give it wp-learning, wp learning. Then we'll press the create button here, and a database will be created, wp learning. Then we are having the database name, and the database username by default is root, root. Then the database password is blank because we haven't set any password on our database, and the database host is localhost, and the table prefix will be set by WordPress, and that is wp underscore. So we are having all the 5 informations that is needed. So we'll click the let's go button, and we know the database name here, that is wp-learning, wp learning. Then the username is root. Then the password will be blank because we haven't set any password here, and the database host will be localhost, and table prefix will be wp underscore. Then we'll submit the form here, and it is saying that alright Sparky, you have made the connection between your database. So we can run the installation here. So press run the installation. After that we need to set the site title here, so I'll set the wp learning. Then the username will be my name repo, and I'll choose this password here, and then I'll give my email, or I am setting a dummy email here. Then I will install. I'll click install WordPress. So it is saying that you need to update that password. I'll say that no thanks, don't need. So then after that click on login. Then the repo is the username, and then the password I have copied that. So press the login here. So welcome to the dashboard of the WordPress. So you can have a look of your initial look of your website. You can see it's a 2023 WordPress theme. You can change your theme from here and change the outlook of your website, and you can test it. So this is the way how you can install WordPress on your local PC. So if you are having any kind of question, don't forget to comments below. So that's for all now. Tata, bye bye.